Okay, this is a sample project of a collaborative project for a group of 4, and the project involves us having to talk with our classmates about starting with the number 1 and adding 3 until we got to the number 100. And so what we had to do was write down any patterns that we noticed and then post our comments onto Collaborative's Classroom website for Mr. Bryan. And then after we did that, we would talk about what patterns we noticed and see if we had any disagreements and any challenges that we could meet. So this is the Patterns of Add 3 presentation by Jose, Mark, Angel, and okay, our notes, we started with 1 and we added 3 until we got to 100. So the numbers that we saw in our pattern were 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 31, 34, 37, 40, 43, 46, 49, 52, 55, 58, 61, 64, 67, 70, 73, 76, 79, 82, 85, 88, 91, 94, 97, 100. Our group noticed that every 10 times a number ended in a 0, like the number 40 and then the number 70. So every 10 numbers, it went up and it ended in a 0. Another pattern was the numbers patterns even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So it continued to alternate evens and odds. And also, every 10 numbers, the numbers ended in a 5. For example, 25, 55, and 85. So it's every 30 numbers, but every 10 on the pattern list. And that's probably because when they're counting by 3s, 3 times 10 is 30. So that's why you see it in the increments. Some of the challenges we faced, we disagreed on the patterns and came up with 3 different patterns after talking. But we did check all our work, and actually all 3 of ours that were different were still correct. So we decided to use all 3 patterns in our presentation. And we learned that even though we might have different ideas, that by working together and posting our different comments and just having different ideas, that we can still be right and have different ways of solving it. So we had actually more notes and patterns that we could put into our presentation.